Taupō District.
My name's Anihira.
My name's Marley.
And today we will be taking you around our rohe to help you pronounce our places properly.
Starting off with Turangi.
Ko Turangi.
Turangi.
Tukanu.
Tukanu.
Pianga.
Whareroa Village. Whareroa Village.
Titiropenga.
Pureora.
Mango.
Oh, Mangakino.
Oh, Mangakino.
Marama. Marama.
Fun Island.
Lucky Maraita. What's this place called?
I think it's called... Oh, Whakamaru!
Kinluch.
No. Kinloch.
Kinloch.
Taupo.
Tauhara.
Taupo.
Tapau.
Ko.
Taupo
Nui
Nui
Aotea.
Taupo.
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 Waitahanui. Bridge.
Nailed it. No mai ki hatepe. Kore. Motu teri. Motu teri. Last one for today. It's real easy. Motu oapa.
So that wraps us up for today, whānau. Thank you for joining us and learning with us for Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. And we hope that you can also try this out. But as well, don't forget your vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And we hope you have a great time. Ngā mihi.